Okay. Good morning, everybody. My name is Storm Scott. I am 25 years old and I am teaching chemistry and physics in Belle Plaine, Kansas. That's USD 357. I'm entering my third year of teaching. I actually had a little bit of a mistake with my transition to teaching program, so I'm taking these introduction to teaching classes now. So it's going to be kind of a little bit of a journey there in and of itself. Um, I have been involved with the sports programs at Belle Plaine longer than I've been teaching. I subbed for 2 years, and I think that's kind of what got me in as the chemistry and physics teacher, kind of just jumping in as a new teacher. My initial plans after college were to go to medical school, but I've kind of been led down this path now. So extracurricular responsibilities that I have right now, finishing up school is the major one. I'm an assistant football coach. I'll be entering my third year of that. I'm the head girls basketball coach at the high school level. This will be my second year of being the head coach, and this will be my fourth year with the program. And I coached 1 year of baseball at one point. Right now, during the summer, I'm currently running the weights program, and that's my first year of doing that. So it's a lot of fun, but it's definitely a lot of work pairing that up with girls basketball and anything over the summer. Short story on what led me into the profession. Um, Getting into medical school proved to be a little bit tougher than I thought it was going to be. I've applied a few years in a row now, and the job opened up, and I just felt like it was my opportunity to get into a profession that was similar in nature, in the sense that I would get to work with people, and it was kind of a fulfilling career. So that's kind of what led me into it, and I've loved every second of it ever since. And I'm definitely excited to have my master's done and kind of continue that route. I'm really privileged to be able to enter or kind of have a backup plan, and it's something that I really liked as much as I do. So I'm pretty lucky there. What are some of the most critical factors I learned about my school from the KSD website? Um, Working on the KPTP and just different things like that, I learned a lot about just like the demographics of the town that I work in, which is actually the town I grew up in. So it was kind of interesting to see all of the um, just kind of the numbers as far as the underserved community in Belle Plaine and just kind of different things like that that I would have never have seen as a student. So as a teacher, coming back and kind of working with kids that were in the same schooling system as me, it's been a really good opportunity, and it's just been it's kind of unique, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure other people have been through this before, obviously, but I think it's not very common to teach kids that were in the same school district you were in when you were in school. So kind of a unique experience there for me. Um, so challenges for the classroom. We do have kind of an underserved population, so that definitely does provide challenges in the classroom. Just working with variety of kids, giving the necessary resources to kids that really do need those resources. Um, the just kind of the extra things like just the meal plans and stuff like that. Just making sure kids are almost at their baseline as much as they can be in the classroom, and I think that's one of the challenges that we could see there. I'm excited to get this class going. Hopefully, everybody has a great summer, and I'll see you guys as we go through. Bye.